Hi, this is the tutorial video on how to use Blaze one-click demo importer plugin. For this video purpose, we are going to show you the one-click demo import of trendy news theme. The process is exactly the same for all of our themes. Firstly, go to Appearance, then Themes, click on Add New button, search trendy news theme and install it. Once the installation process is complete, activate the theme. Now click on Install Demos. In Trendy News free theme, there are two demos available. If you have a pro version of Trendy News theme, you will get access to many other premium demos. Next, you will have to install and activate our one-click demo importer plugin. After it is activated, you can begin installing the demo. Make sure to check the receipt website box. Thereafter, click on demo import and your job is done. Bravo! All of the necessary data and files are automatically imported, and when the import process is complete, your website will look exactly the same as our demo website. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button in case you haven't.